Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Thursday, August 22nd. All students interested in National Honor Society or National Junior Honor Society, please check the list of eligible students posted outside of 122, the main office and the guidance office. Application for NHS and NJHS can be picked up from Ms. Higgins in room 122. Ms. Noble will also have NHS forms. All applications are due back to Ms. Higgins' room in 122 by 3:20 on Wednesday, August 28th. The application process is for new members only. Current members do not need to reapply. The theme for Friday's game against Madison is camo. Wear your real tree or mosey oak. We're going hunting for cubs. Please remember that your themed outfit must be school appropriate. Boys JV and varsity tennis will be at Northeast Du Bois starting at 5. Girls JV and varsity volleyball will be hosting Mitchell tonight starting at 6. Miss Stroud is collecting bottle caps for a project. Please save your caps and take them to Miss Stroud's room. Collected caps will be taken to the First Chance Center at the end of each month. If you do not attend the Boost Club meeting on Wednesday, see Miss Miller in room 113 by Friday to get your fundraising packet. Junior high students are welcome. I'm Kaulen, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day. Good afternoon. I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Thursday.